extensions suddenly stopped working in Shopify. When admin extensions stop loading, disappear, or show a blank screen, it is almost always caused by one of the following: a recent Shopify update, app block permissions changing, browser session corruption, third-party apps conflicting, extensions failing to authenticate, theme or store settings refreshing in the background. Below is the exact working solution that resolves this problem in most stores. Number 1. Reset your admin session. Fixes instant loading issues. Do this first. 1. Open Shopify Admin. 2. Go to Settings, Users and Permissions. 3. Log out. 4. Close browser completely. 5. Log in again. This rebuilds the admin extension environment. Number 2. Clear browser cache. Admin extensions break easily due to cache. Extensions load through embedded browser frames. Corrupted cache blocks them. Do this. Chrome, Settings, Privacy, Clear browsing data, cached images, files, then restart Chrome. Open Shopify Admin again. Number 3, switch browser. Quick diagnosis. Try opening Shopify Admin in Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari. If extensions work in another browser, your main browser had stale data or blocked script content. Number 4, refresh admin embedded app permissions. Sometimes permissions reset without warning. 1, go to Settings, Apps and Sales Channels. 2, open the app that provides the extension. 3, click Manage Permissions. 4, toggle off, then on any permission. 5, save. This forces Shopify to re-register the extension. Reinstall the affected app extension. If a specific extension doesn't open, 1, go to Apps and Sales Channels. 2, remove the app. 3, reinstall it. 4, refresh browser. Reinstalling reconnects the extension to the admin iframe. Number 6, check if app embeds were automatically disabled. Shopify sometimes disables embeds after theme or system updates. Go to Online Store, Themes, Customize, App Embeds. Make sure your app's embeds are enabled. Number 7, turn off conflicting extensions. 2 admin extensions modifying the same UI area can cause failures. Disable one of them temporarily. Apps and Sales Channels, open app, disable admin extension. If the other one starts working, conflict detected. Number 8, try incognito mode. If extensions work in incognito, something in your extensions, cookies, or cache is blocking Shopify. Remove, disable ad blockers, script blockers, privacy extensions, VPN browser extensions. These often break Shopify admin iframes. Number 9, last resort, reset browser profile. If nothing else works, create a new Chrome profile. Log into Shopify admin. Admin extensions usually work instantly on a clean profile.